what's going on guys, it's Shade here, and JBL just dropped their JBL Go Bluetooth speaker in their JBL Go series. So in this video we are going to unbox and review the JBL Go Plus and see if it's bigger and better than the original JBL Go. Before we begin, you know what time it is. It's the shoutout time. So shout out on Evelyn Cabral for winning the Xiaomi's Mi Band 3 challenge, and in this video you need to count how many times I say the JBL Go Plus and the winner will get a shout out in the next video. So JBL just released their website in India, and in the celebration they ran a sale there, and we just picked up some items. That is the JBL C200SI that we did a review and video on this, which you can find in the top right corner in the info card. And we also picked up the JBL 205BD wireless earphones, and unboxing or review on these are coming shortly to the channel, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you won't miss that out. And we also picked up the JBL Go Plus Bluetooth speaker. Now on the unboxing side, the JBL Go Plus came in this poor packaging, but the box inside is just fine, and that's what we are concerned about. For now I'm going to put the JBL 205BD aside, as this will be the next video, and make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you won't miss that out. And now let's take a closer look at the JBL Go Plus box itself. The front of the box shows the JBL Go Plus speaker. Here it says the JBL Go Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. There is the logo of the JBL, and if you guys don't know about that, this is actually owned by Harman, which is apparently owned by Samsung. On the left it says integrated strap hook, and when we flip this to the back we can see some features and what this Bluetooth speaker is capable of. Now it supports Bluetooth, 5 hours of playtime, and speakerphone, in other words you can say microphone for answering calls. Now on the bottom it says what's in the box. That is the Bluetooth speaker itself and a micro USB cable to charge the JBL Go Plus. Now here on the frequency response is from 180Hz to 20kHz. Output power is 3 WRMS, and this speaker can be connected with your phone, tablet, laptop, and basically anything in 2018. Now on the right side of the box we can see the connections, but we will dig that later as we have already wasted a lot of time in reading the box alone. So let me make this unboxing quick for you guys. That was quick. Guys, leave a like for that transition. Now we get the two boxes inside, and here is the JBL Go Plus Bluetooth speaker. The design is quite similar to the original JBL Go, but it's actually bigger and heavier than that. But for now let's keep this to the side and see what else we have in the second box. In the second box we do get the micro USB cable for charging the JBL Go Plus, and user manual if you want to go nerd here. So that was a quick unboxing of the JBL Go Plus, but now it's time to test out the JBL Go Plus in the real world and see if it's hold up to the mark. And now in the review of this JBL Go Plus we will talk about some certain aspects, that is design, build quality and durability, connections, battery life, sound quality, and a quick comparison between the JBL Go and the JBL Go Plus. And now kicking off this review by talking about the JBL Go Plus design. The JBL Go Plus is bigger brother to the original JBL Go, and it has some same design feature from the original JBL Go portable speaker. The speaker looks very boxy with sharp edges, and it's covered with soft touch rubberized material all around, which gives it a very soft feel in the hand. On the front we can see a metal grill with the JBL logo on it, and behind which there is a 140mm driver. Also there is a small blue LED indicator which indicates the power when you turn the speaker on. To control the JBL Go Plus, the buttons are kept at the top, and it's the best placement that anyone can think of. The buttons on these are very mushy, and they are placed a little deeper, so to press them you have to use all your finger muscles that you have been building all these years. And be careful with your nails, as you can easily rip this soft rubberized material from these buttons. The buttons on the JBL Go Plus includes the standard power button, Bluetooth, volume up, volume down, and play pause button. And if you're a lanyard or a hand strap guy or girl who likes to drop their stuff, then JBL also got your back with the lanyard or hand strap hook. But the strap is not included in the box, so you might have to buy that separately. But anyways, the new JBL Go Plus is very portable, and talking about the dimensions, the JBL Go Plus is 97.7mm by 80.7mm by 36.4mm instead of 68.3 by 82.7 by 30.8 on the JBL Go. And for giving you the weight comparison, the JBL Go Plus is 207 grams, which is 77 grams heavier than the original JBL Go, which was 130 grams. But when you pick up the JBL Go Plus, you won't feel any significant weight. For giving you a rough estimate of the weight of the JBL Go Plus, then it's a little heavier than the phone you're watching this video on. Now on the connections on the JBL Go Plus, it connects via Bluetooth 4.1, which have a range of roughly 40 meters. The JBL Go Plus have multiple ports on the right side. The first one is the auxiliary input. That means if you have an old MP3 player or anything that doesn't have Bluetooth, then you can easily connect that to the JBL Go Plus with the aux cable. Moving down we have the micro USB port to charge the JBL Go Plus speaker. The JBL Go Plus can be charged with this included very short 1 feet long cable. Other than those two ports on the right side, we also have a mic below that, and JBL Go Plus can be used to answer calls, and that's pretty handy feature. Those were the connections on the JBL Go Plus. Now let's talk about the battery life of the speaker. But now when we talk about the battery life on the JBL Go Plus, it is packing a 730 mAh battery, which is 130 extra than the original JBL Go, which had a 600 mAh battery. The battery on the new JBL Go Plus is bigger, and JBL is claiming a 5 hours of playtime, but in everyday usage I'm getting around 6 to 7 hours of playtime when keeping the volume around 60 to 70%. Now charging this 730 mAh battery on the speaker, it takes around 2.5 hours to charge full, but all the specs are on the side. Let's talk about the most important thing which makes or breaks any speaker, that is the sound quality. As some of you guys know that JBL is owned by Harman and they make some pretty good sounding speaker, but when you listen to the JBL Go Plus in person, then you can easily say it's a good speaker. The JBL Go Plus is not only bigger in shape and size than the original JBL Go, but it's also packing a lot of punch in it. The JBL Go Plus is much more clearer and louder than the JBL Go, although they pack the same single 40mm driver, but the speaker on the JBL Go Plus is louder than the JBL Go. The speaker gives a frequency response of 180Hz to 20 kHz. On paper it should break easily on the bass heavy songs, but in real life it doesn't. The JBL Go Plus are very clear and crisp on every media. They have a really rich tone to them and the vocals come out of the speaker very nicely. So just want to give a quick sound comparison between the JBL Go and the JBL Go Plus, and please keep in mind that there are a lot of factors involved in the sound recording, as acoustic, room, the mic used, etc. The speakers sound much better when you listen to them in person, so this is just a big comparison between the two. So that was the sound comparison of the JBL Go and the JBL Go Plus. Now if you talk about the build quality and durability of this Bluetooth speaker, then these are made pretty well. As said before, the whole speaker is covered with very soft rubberized anti-slip material, so you should be very careful with the sharp objects as it can leave a permanent mark on the speaker. The JBL Go Plus is priced at 3,000 rupees or $50, but you can check out the links down below in the description as there are always sales going on them, as we have picked our JBL Go Plus just for 2,000 rupees. Now if you ask me if you should go with the JBL Go or spend some extra money for the JBL Go Plus, then I would totally recommend the JBL Go Plus as it's way louder than the original JBL Go and it's a better sounding speaker, and I fully believe that you should get the best product if that costs some time and money. I mean, you have to draw some line there, but still get the best product and stay stress free. That wraps up my video of the JBL Go Plus Bluetooth speaker. Hope you guys enjoy this, and if you did, just click the like button. And if you like this video, you might also like the JBL C200SI unboxing and review video, which you can find in the top right corner in the info card. By the way, we also bought the JBL 205BD wireless earphones, so unboxing and review on these are coming shortly. So hit the subscribe button so you won't miss that out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.